Past year's been great for me. It's been my head obviously has been a transformation. I'm sure when you saw my video from 13 months ago, it looked totally different. This is one of the shortest haircuts I've had in years. I actually got a 4 last week on the back of my head, and you can't see any line back there. Without the surgery, I wouldn't have been able to have a haircut like this and actually have it look good. Obviously with the wedding comes the wedding pictures, and those things last forever. And I wanted to make sure that I look good in those pictures that I was going to have for the rest of my life. A full head of hair, when you see the pictures of me dancing, the candid shots, the back of my head, there's no bald spot back there. And actually my brother, who had his surgery here also with Dr. Bolton about a month or so before I did, both of us had a nice full thick head of hair. He walked me down the aisle, so it was great having us there to be able to share that together. Thank you guys very much. Still getting follow-up phone calls. Definitely impressed, and I endorse Dr. Bolton and his whole staff, the whole office 100%.
Well, I chose Dr. Bolton because I always heard he was the best. I watched his videos, I saw his website, I saw proof that it was amazing. I saw it in real life that it was amazing. My hairstylist looked amazing. Aspects about it, there was always good, positive thinking, and 4 months paid tens of thousands of more dollars for this. It was quick, in and out, 4 hours, went home, didn't have much pain. Oh, my results are just hands down amazing. I can't even tell. I would tell anybody the first day they came in here, pay the money and do it. Promise you, you will not lose a dime. But just listen to all the directions. This changes my life by a lot. I think I have a ton more confidence. I had confidence before, but I think he's amazing. I think what he does is art, and it's crazy. This one lady, one of my friend's sister's a hairstylist, and she's like, "Oh, let me look in your head." I was like, "Okay." She looks in, I'm like, "Try to find it. You won't even find it if you finally give me $5.
Yeah.
She couldn't find it. She couldn't find it. And she's like, "No way, this is ridiculous." And I was like, "Yeah."
That's
She was a hairstylist. She's never seen this before. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for giving my hair back after 4 months, and I can't wait to see a year. Thank you.
All right, Aldo, so what are you trying to accomplish today?
Turn back to the clock.
First side I created for you, I created a little bit of a higher recession. The hair in the back of the head here is genetically pre-programmed.
You're ready to go?
Yeah, ready.
All right, well, let's get this party started.
Absolutely.
So Aldo, you're looking good, you're drinking Coke. How you feeling right now?
Great.
So Aldo, on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what would you rate your experience today?
I feel 10, honestly.
I will not recommend anybody else except Dr. Bolton. He's the only doctor who make it possible, who told me, yes, I can do something.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Beyond expectation.
Beyond expectation. Excellent. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
I wish you the best.
Thank you to all of you.
There's only one answer, Dr. Bolton.
I was really able to strategically put the amount of hairs in the right place. I couldn't have been more happier once I saw that. Woke up, it was tender back there, didn't hurt. I could move my head from side to side, and it was great. The results alone doesn't compare to the results that Dr. Bolton gave me. Dr. Bolton in one session probably doubled what those 2 surgeries did. Now I feel like, that it is possible for me to get my hair back in its entirety, so I'm excited about that. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for taking the time. You and the staff have been really gracious with me, and just being kind and caring and nurturing in this whole process. I really thank you and the staff, and thank you so much for it.
The way Dr. Bolton does the procedure is significantly different in its structure than many of these changes that would just progress. I felt good about it, and I saw the previous work that you've done with other clients, and it really impressed me, and for the reason that you're the only patient here. It was pleasant. It was more pleasant than I thought it was. It went faster than I thought it would. Overall, a nice experience. The staff is amazing. I caught her doing that. It's like, why are you staring at? It's like, there's something about you. I just cannot tell what it is. And then finally the bell rang. She's like, I know, you got hair again. But it took her like 10 minutes. I could call Josh up anytime and ask questions on the cell phone, and just asking Dr. Bolton is just a different story, because you really get a thorough answer, and you feel that he takes pride in what he does, and that's is a huge difference.